Let's make banana oatmeal cookies today. I'm starting with a bowl, adding 2 cups of rolled oats, then sea salt, then 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a cup of dark chocolate chips, and I'm going to combine all those dry ingredients together because we love it. And then we're going to get another bowl, add in our 2 medium bananas, make sure they're right, and we're going to mash those up just like that, adding in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, then 1/4 of a cup of honey, 1/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt, and here we go. We combine the wet ingredients together and we're done. I'm then adding the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and basically mixing the dough together until it's well combined. I'm taking a medium scoop, about 3 tablespoons large scoop, and I'm going to just scoop out the dough onto the baking sheet, and I'm going to flatten those cookies with a spoon, and I'm going to pop this baking sheet into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees until they're slightly golden brown. Enjoy these cookies. They're soft, chewy, yummy. With your children, with your family, they're the healthier version of your oatmeal cookies. Enjoy!